Hello everybody, I am Dr. Lodhi Kaneez Fatema, Head of the Department Political Science in J.A.T Arts Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon Dist-Nashik. You all are welcome in my video lecture entitled Environmental Act 1986. Environmental Protection Act 1986. It is a series of new environmental laws were made just after the Bhopal gas tragedy 1984, in which thousands died and lakhs of people affected due to poisonous gas leak from United Carbide plant. The Environmental Protection Act 1986 included several important regulations to rectify the weakness of previous environmental laws. Environmental laws 1986 जो है वो भोपाल गैस ट्रेजेडी के बाद 1984 में जो हुई थी, जिसकी वजह से काफ़ी लोग अफेक्टेड हुए थे इस पॉइजनस गैस की लीक होने की वजह से, जिससे एनवायरनमेंट पे बहुत ज़्यादा बुरा इफ़ेक्ट पड़ा था। इसीलिए 1986 में एनवायरमेंटल प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट में बहुत सारे जो है रेक्टिफाई हुए और जो है दूसरी पहली जो कमज़ोरियां थी उसको दूर की गई। तो हम देखते हैं कि ये एनवायरमेंटल प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट जो है बना वो एक्चुअली क्या है। द वेरियस न्यू रेगुलेशन इन दिस न्यू एक्ट इंक्लूड द फॉलोइंग। नंबर 1, laying down standard for emission or discharge of pollutant from various sources and for quality of environment. Number 2, restricting area in which industries operation and process may not be carried out without government's clearance certificate. Number 3, laying down rules for prevention of accidents and remedial measures in case of accidents. Number 4, procedure and safeguards for handling various hazardous substances in the factories and industries. Number 5, directives to person or authority for closure, prohibition or regulation in supply of water, electricity and other services in the case of violation of law. 6, examination of such manufacturing process, material and substance as are likely to cause environmental pollution. 7, carrying out and sponsoring investigation and research relating the problems of environmental pollution. 8, collection and dissemination of information on environmental pollution. 9, preparation of manuals, code or guides relating to the prevention, control and abatement of environmental pollution. The Environmental Act 1986 consists of 26 sections distributed among 4 chapters and applied to whole of India. The Environmental Act 1986 consists of 26 sections distributed among 4 chapters and applied to whole of India. Section 2 redefine the following terms in this act. Environment. It includes water, air, land and the interrelationship which exists among and between water, air and land and human beings. Other living creature, plant, micro-organism and property. Environment pollutant. It means any solid, liquid or gaseous substance present in such amount as may be or tend to be injurious to environment. Environment pollution. It means the presence in the environment of any environmental pollutant, hazardous substance. It means any substance or preparation which by reason of its chemical or physico-chemical properties or handling is liable to cause human being, other living creature, plants, microorganism, property or the environment. Thank you for listening this video lecture.